How to log in Trust Wallet accounts. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can get logged into your account. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Play Store and at the top search bar type in Trust Wallet. Make sure you have downloaded this app and it's updated. Once you do so, tap on Open. And once you launch your app, you will see this page. Here tap on Add Existing Wallet. Just like so, tap on Secret Phrase. Now to log into your Trust Wallet account, you need to remember your secret phrases. Tap on Multicoin Wallet. At this box, simply paste your secret phrases, and in case you don't know what a secret phrase is, you can also go ahead and tap below the link to know what it is and what it does. Once you do so, tap on Restore Wallet. And if your secret phrases are correct, you will see this page. And just like so, this is how you can get logged into your account. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will make a video on that topic. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next upload.